Hello, this is Mommy of James. Right now, guys, we'll make a banana bread. So, I have banana here. Got already two eggs. Then I will smash it like this. Just continue smashing. Yan. We'll mix it. Smash it. Okay, that's enough for now because I will mix it later. Very good. Then we'll put cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of salt, now we put baking soda, a little bit of baking soda. Then we'll put a almond flour, just a cup almond flour. Then we'll put vanilla. You see this? Vanilla. And then we need to put oil, olive oil. Teaspoon. Then need to mix it. We'll mix it. I think I need to put more almond flour. Like that. We'll add some more butter. A little bit of butter. This one. Little bit of water, like a half teaspoon. Then we'll put sugar. James is not here, he's in school, so looks good, right? And now we'll prepare our pan. We'll put the spray oil, avocado oil. So it's okay now. It's ready to put our banana mixture. One. Some they put like beans. I don't know, like almonds, like walnuts, some you can put it. It's up to you. That's your choice. Mine right now I don't have available, so this is a simple. So it's ready to put in. Our oven is ready. It's 350. So this is ready to put in the oven. Okay. Put it inside. And we'll cook it in like an hour. See you in a bit. You need to cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no. 6, 7. We'll wait until it's cool. So this is it, the finished product of banana bread. See? Bye. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll check now. Oh, it's cooked. See? It's cooked now. Wow. This is cooked.